Hello and welcome to the release notes of GrabCAD Print 1.44. Here are some updates that we have with this release. PolyJet Core Base Assignments. Core base assignments can be customized to provide the best match for a model's design. This can be configured in Model Settings under More Settings. Here you will find three options for the base/core, a white base, a clear core in addition to the default system option. PolyJet improved auto arrange for J720 printers. The auto arrange feature for the J720 printers now offers improved nesting of parts, making production more efficient. Go to the arrange settings and select compress tray to decide how much of the tray you want to utilize for a print job. Parts that don't fit can be moved to a second tray as shown. GrabCAD Print Server is ending support for deprecated versions and old operating systems. GrabCAD Print Server older than 2.0 will no longer be able to connect to GrabCAD Cloud starting from July 21st. In order to continue to connect to your printers via your GrabCAD Print Server, please manually uninstall the old version and install Print Server 2.0. GrabCAD Print Server 2.0 will only be supported for Microsoft Windows 10 64-bit and Windows Server 2016 and newer. Instances running on older versions of Windows that do not receive mainstream support from Microsoft will not be auto-updated nor be able to connect to GrabCAD Cloud starting from July 21st. You will need to upgrade the OS on your Print Server instance or install Print Server on a machine with a supported OS. Per user installation is being discontinued. GrabCAD Print is moving to a system-wide installation. You can find if you are still on a user-based installation by going to Help, About. If so, when the next update of GrabCAD Print is available, you will see the message below that allows a seamless migration to our per-machine installation. Get printer support. GrabCAD Print now allows you to send diagnostic files from your printer to your Stratasys support contact. In the case of hardware, material, other printer, or even software issues, you can now go to Help, Get Printer Support, where you can add details regarding the issue. GrabCAD Print will then generate an email template along with all the details and relevant files, which you can send to the email address provided to you at the time of sale. 3MF Assembly Structure. 3MF files with a deep assembly structure will now show the entire tree structure in the project panel. And that is all what we have for you today in this release of GrabCAD Print 1.44. Thank you for watching.